What's up guys, Coach Ray here. Guys, today we're doing some butterfly. Guys, butterfly is my favorite stroke. I love it to pieces. To me it's the easiest to learn and it's the easiest to do, but it's the most tiring when you're swimming it. Okay, so guys, what we're going to start off with is we're going to start the legs as per usual. We're going to start with the legs. Alright, so guys, when you're doing dolphin kicks, okay, that's butterfly legs, it's called dolphin kicks. Alright, so when you're doing that, you got to think of where your legs start. Where do your legs actually start, guys? Okay, I'll show you. Your legs actually start from here, from your lower back. Okay, so your legs start from your lower back. They don't start from your knees and they don't start from here. They start from your lower back. Alright guys, so keep that in mind. Alright, so the way you do dolphin kicks is the same as freestyle kicks. Instead of kicking up and down, you're going to have two legs together, because why? A dolphin doesn't have two legs, the dolphin's got one tail. Alright, so you put your legs together, and what you're going to do is you're going to lift your legs and you're going to splash and you're going to stick your bum out of the water. Alright, so it's splash and your bum goes up. So splash, bum up, like I'm going to show you now. So guys, when you're doing your dolphin kicks, when you're practicing, you don't want to bend just your knees here. Alright, remember, you need to use your hips. So it's tummy, bum, tummy, bum. You want to look like a dolphin when you're swimming, and hence the reason why it's called dolphin kicks. So guys, the exercise that we're going to do now, hey, it's going to rain. Exercise that we're going to do is you're going to do dolphin kicks. So you're going to put your hands here at your side and you're going to do tummy bum. So you're going to just do tummy bum across the pool. And the next one that you're going to do is you're going to make a pencil. Boom. Same thing. Tummy bum. Tummy bum. Okay, so guys, when you're doing your dolphin kicks, remember you're not just pushing in one direction like the band. Okay, you're not pushing just down. Alright, so you're not just pushing down so that your bum can come up. You're pushing up as well. Alright, so you're pushing down and pushing up and pushing down and pushing up. That makes you go faster, guys. Alright, and a little tip for you, the reason why you're sticking your bum out the water is because, check here, if you just bend your knees and you kick down like this instead of lifting your bum up, you're not using enough water. So check here, so instead of going just here, and you imagine my shoulders on my bum now, so you go kick and you lift, and then as you lift your bum up, your legs go deeper, so you're using more water. You see? Got it, guys? That's a quick little tip for you. And remember, you want to be concentrating here on your lower back when you're kicking. So it's tummy bum, tummy bum. Use your lower back. Okay, cool. So guys, that's the kicking. And if you guys are struggling with the exercise with your arms at your side, you guys can grab a noodle, boom, hold it, and then kick. Alright, like I'm going to show you now. So remember guys, chin on your chest. Otherwise, if your chin's not on your chest, your head's up, your legs are going to sink. You're going to hold feet together, always feet together. If your feet are apart, what happens is your legs are open like so. Alright, and you're kicking, the water goes through your legs. So you want to have them closed so you can catch the water. Alright, catch me outside. I'm joking, catch me outside, catch me. Okay, so it looks like so. What we're going to do now is we're going to do some butterfly arms. Alright, so also same as freestyle. You're going to start with your hands straight in front of you. You're going to go hands down, touch your legs, your pinkies come out, and right from here you want to have your hands close together like that. Alright, you want to have them just there. You want to squeeze your shoulder blades together here. Alright, now from there you're going to use your imagination like when you're a kid, and you're going to throw a blanket over your head. So you're going to throw over your head and in front of you. Alright, so it's down, hands down, touch your legs, pinkies out, and throw a blanket over your head. So I've got a towel here to show you, just to demonstrate quickly. Alright, so you see, arms behind you here. Alright, and what you're going to do is you're going to throw like that. Got it? Fantastic. Okay, so what we're going to do, guys, also another thing, you don't want to have your shoulders come around and up like that, okay, because that's bad for your shoulders. Okay, so it's down there, and then you want to rotate your joints in the socket and in front of you. Alright, so it's down, touch your legs, pinky out, rotate in your sockets. Alright, so your hands are only coming here eye level, you see? Boom, eye level here and in front of you. Alright. So guys, what we're going to do is you guys are going to walk across the pool and you're going to practice. You're going to pull hands down, touch your legs, pinkies out and fly. Hands down, touch your legs, pinkies out and fly. Cool, nice and easy. Now what you're going to do, you're going to practice the same thing, except now you're going to do the breathing for it. Okay, so when you breathe, same as freestyle, when your pinky comes out, so it's hands down, touch your legs, pinkies out, you lift your head up and in again. Alright, so front view, hand down, touch your legs, pinkies out and in again. You got it. Cool. So guys, you're going to walk across the pool and practice that. We're going to do arms and legs, everything together. When you're swimming butterfly, guys, it's 2 kicks to 1 arm. Alright, so you want to keep your arms here in front of you. You're going to do 1, 2, and then your legs stop and you pull, boom, in front of you. 1, 2, pull, boom. Your arms stop here in front of you. Why? So that you can cut the water. So it's 1, 2, pull, boom, in front of you. So remember, when you breathe, you're going to breathe on every second arm. So it's 1, 2, pull. Okay, 1, 2, pull and breathe. Butterfly is a hybrid between freestyle and breaststroke. Okay, because the way it's similar to breaststroke is when you do your legs, your arms are still, and when you do your arms, your legs are still. And it's the same as freestyle, because your freestyle's kicking here, except it's together, same together, arms together. Alright, so that's how it's a hybrid. Okay, guys, that was butterfly. One of my favorite strokes. Is my top stroke out of all of them. I'll go next time I make a video, I'll run through my list of strokes, my favorite to my least favorite. Okay, guys, let me know in the comment section below if you guys come right with butterfly or if you don't. If you guys found this video of value, drop a thumbs up, hit a like for me, show me the love, and yeah guys, I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.